lot of people ask me what is the best range on the market. One of my opinions is this unit right here. Comes in various sizes, 30, 36, 48, and this is the 60-inch, showing the dual ovens in it. This will feature 6 burners, also available with grills, griddles, French tops, char broilers. This is really a top-of-the-line piece here. This is the dual fuel unit, so it's a gas top, ordered in propane or natural gas, electric convection ovens, with the gourmet mode now built in. So this control panel flips out, in when not in use, and has built-in recipe center, so it takes like the guesswork out of cooking. The knobs will come red standard. You can also get black or stainless steel as options now, no charge when you purchase this range. See your dealer for that option. As far as the ovens go, large oven interiors. You're going to get 2 racks that glide out on ball bearings, as well as a 3rd oven rack. This has a great convection system, and it's really a professional, top-of-the-line piece. You can see it's beautiful looking, fits into the cabinet seamlessly, and does come standard with the island trim with optional back cards if you're interested. So if you're looking for a professional range, this would be my range of choice at the moment right now on the market. There's really nothing like it. It's superior quality compared to everything else out there.